Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be looking at the ViewSonic Tablet PC V1100, and this tablet is a lightweight early generation tablet PC that runs on a mobile Intel Pentium 3 processor at 866 MHz. It's equipped with 256 MB of RAM, which is expandable up to 512 MB, and comes with a 20 GB hard drive. The tablet features a 10.4-inch XGA colour display with a resolution of 1024x768 in landscape mode, providing bright, crisp images. It runs Windows XP Tablet PC Edition, making it compatible with Microsoft Office and digital ink for note-taking. It weighs about 3.4 pounds, which is quite portable for a device from that era. It also includes built-in Wi-Fi, Ethernet and modern connectivity, and can be docked with optional accessories like a CD-ROM and USB peripherals. If you're interested in finding one, there are a few similar ViewSonic tablets available through second-hand marketplaces like eBay. They can range from around £26 for older ViewSonic tablets to around £499 for models that run dual OS with Windows 7 and Android 2.2. Okay, so this ViewSonic tablet includes a good range of input ports. It comes with two USB ports, which one is just around here, and then we have a Firewire IEEE i394 port, and then on this side, somewhere hidden underneath here, we have another USB port, and that's, if you can see there, and a microphone and audio jack, and a mini VGA port, which is just next to this USB port here. It also has a connector for its optional docking station, which is just here, so we can dock up a USB drive. It also has a dial-up modem and a Ethernet port under these waterproof covers here. I'm not sure why these ones are not covered. Maybe the case came off or something like that. I do believe that this would have had a kick-out stand somewhere. Not sure if I can find it or find a way to get it out. I'm pretty sure that this comes down so you can sit the tablet up. It also has I think this is a PCMCIA card slot and a memory card reader just here. I do have the pen, but the pen is broken, so I do need to repair that with some super glue. Okay, so let's power the tablet on and let's see what we get. I have plugged in a keyboard and mouse as it is not sensitive to your fingers. It does need the pen as it does use a sensor. After you can see that it's a bit dull on the top half of the screen there. So let me just press F1. There we go. That's funny, the mouse is not working. Does my mouse not want to work today? Or is it because it's installed in a driver? Guess I'll just have to wait a moment. Okay, I'm just trying to adjust the brightness. There we go. Still got no mouse yet. Does the keyboard work? Apparently not. Oh, there we go. Screen's not actually blurry in the bottom there. It's something to do with my camera. Now we have our mouse working. We do have a lot of programs on here. Fortunately, I can't use my display capture as I don't have the mini VGA connector adapter. So unfortunately I can't give you a clearer picture than what I've got now. But we do have a vast antivirus software on there, Adobe Illustrator. We have a built-in wireless USB utility, Google SketchUp, iOmega DVD Wizard, Microsoft Reader. We also have Skype, digital image recovery, VIA setup, virtual clone drive, Adobe Download, Netgear, Audacity, Inkball, SketchUp, Nero Burning Room. So I'm guessing someone did have the docking station, or they just used the USB ports with an adapter on the side. We have a calculator, iStar, which is like a movie editing software. We also have Paint, Reason, shortcut to Rebirth, WordPad, shortcut to Date and Time, Adobe InDesign. We have Google Chrome. We also have Picasa, Adobe Photoshop, another Date and Time, and we also have the recycle bin. And the time seems to be wrong. It seems to be what time has it set itself to? 2002. That's not very good. I'll have to stay as that for a moment. Let's see what space we have. That is very laggy. That is not me or my camera lagging. That is just this tablet lagging. Just trying to load up a menu. I do hope the drive's not failing. So I can't get into the disk space of the drive because it keeps freezing. But it says we have 2.81 gigabytes free of 16.8 gigabyte just down there. So we don't have a lot of space. Is there any, what sort of programs? Oh dear me. That is a lot of programs. We've got digital image recovery. Okay. We have Google SketchUp, which I've already said out earlier. We have Windows Messenger. We have a lot of games, basic games, and that's it really. Print Me, internet printing, system recovery. We have tablet PC software. We have Google. Is there anything in there? Tablet. We have in tablet PC. We have sticky notes, tablet PC tutorials, and Windows Journal. Yeah, that's about it for what's on the desktop. I'm not sure why I can't open up the menu because it opens there. Okay, so the next part I'm going to try and do a factory restore with the image that's already on the drive. Okay, so now it does have a system recovery. So let's see. Do you really want to start system recovery? Let's press yes. Let's see what happens. We will also take a look in the BIOS later as well. I just hope it doesn't ask for a disk drive or something. Actually, once we started, we'll try and get into the BIOS. It's usually the delete key, so let's try that spammy delete key. Oh no, is that gonna work? I can't see nothing. Has it turned off? Okay. Okay, now it's completely stuck. Okay, so I managed to get into the BIOS, as you can see. Sorry you can't see the top half of the screen, but we do have extended memory. Oh, I guess this does have. I guess this has been upgraded to 512 megabytes. Our CPU speed is 866 megahertz, as stated. Let's see. Boot time, local ID adapter, internal graphics, brightness level, maximize. Let's see if that'll change anything. Boot and exit saving changes. So we don't have a lot in there that we could use or really change. So let's see if the brightness is a lot better now. Okay, so now the system recovery has now finished. We can now click on restart to restart the PC into user partition. So let's press restart. And there we go. Please wait while Windows prepares to start. Okay, so we have now loaded up and we are in the wrong orientation. Okay then, I'm going to have to try and navigate this with my mouse this way. United Kingdom, which is there. And United Kingdom again. As you can see, the sound driver is installed. As we have the Windows XP setup playing, let's hope I don't get copyrighted for that. And we have the little wizard down here as well. That's nice to see. I'm sorry about the orientation. I need to set time zone. There we go, Greenwich Mean Time. Yes, I accept the agreement by Microsoft. I do hope it's not going to ask me for the key. Computer description, we can keep that blank. No, I don't want to connect it to a domain. I can skip that because I don't want to. No, not at this time. And we are just going to, I'm just going to enter my name in there. That's Chris. There we go. And then press next. Once I get the mouse back down. There we go. Thank you for installing Windows XP. Okay. Thank you too. Oh, that's a nice, I've never seen that Windows XP logo before. That certainly is a new one. Okay, there we have the Windows XP Tablet PC edition. Oh no, it's still in that orientation. Can we turn it around? Okay then, while that is just loading up, we do have some buttons up here, which I did forget to show earlier. We have the, I do believe that this is a keyboard key. That is a note key. We have the Windows key there. And then we have the lock key just there. And then here we have the power key. And then we have a screen rotation key. Then we have a close key. Not sure if you can see that. And then we also have a function key. And this here is well, I would think it's a mouse. We also have a clicker here. And we have the two speakers just up here. And can we switch it up? Yeah, there we go. And there we go, everyone. We now have a factory installed. Oh, what's this? Tablet PC tutorial. We don't need that. We don't need that keyboard popping up. Got not linked. What is this? Intel. Oh, it's a wireless radio. Okay. We have Intel wide adapter, Intel Extreme Graphics, we have the volume, we have tablet PC settings just there, and then we have speech tutorial, tablet PC input panel tutorial, Windows journal tutorial, and tablet PC tutorial. I don't need any of that at the moment. So what we do have installed is Internet Explorer, MSN Explorer, Windows Media Player, Adobe Reader 6.0, and what's that? Microsoft Reader. I didn't know Microsoft Reader was a thing. Tablet PC input panel we have down here. Do we have any? We have Windows Messenger, Windows Journal, tablet PC, we have System Recovery, Print Me, the games you have Inkball and Windows Update and Windows Catalog. And let's see, how much space do we have now? We have 13 gigabytes left, and now we can look at we can open the this panel. Now we have 13 gigabytes free. Not sure if you can see that. I'm sure you can. So I'm guessing that all of the driver files are installed onto the drive. Okay, so we have OEM. So I'm guessing all these are the drivers. We have Microsoft Reader and ProSet. We have all the drivers here, buttons, chipset, cradle, modem, VGA and wireless LAN. Let's just go into a control panel and see what drivers are actually installed. Switch to classic view and then go to system. Oh, we only have Service Pack 1 installed. And we do indeed have 512 megabytes of RAM. Computer Titan Core Tablet PC. Tatung. Never heard of that before. It sounds like Samsung. Device manager. Let's see. What do we have that's installed? We have everything. Mobile Intel Pentium 3. 866 megahertz. Display adapters. We have 82830N and a disk drive there. And network. Yep, that is everything installed there. Let's see if we can just change this to performance mode just to save on those resources. And there we go, press OK on that, and let's close that and close out of that. And let's just open Task Manager. Can we get a Task Manager from? No, we can't. Okay, let's do from here. Control, Alt, and Delete. Oh, so that security key brings up Task Manager. That's okay. Performance, we are using 127 megabytes of memory at the moment. That's not a lot. But then again, there's nothing installed on here. Yeah, so that's going to be it for this tablet in this video. I am planning to do a series on this tablet. So let me know what you'd like to see in the comments. There is going to be 10 episodes, or maybe 11. But one of the episodes is going to be a episode from the viewer. As I'm going to be trying 9 different operating systems on this tablet. And I want the 10th episode to be a viewer, an operating system of the viewer's choice. So, if you like the video, I would appreciate it if you leave a thumbs up and a comment in the comment section. And if you see the hype button, then please click that. You can also donate to my channel via Buy Me a Coffee. I will leave the link to that in the description also. Or doing that, just a like will do, and a subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, that's it. Good day or night.